Pineapple are the only edible bromelaid fruits. A single strawberry can have more than 200 seeds on its surface. Kiwi fruit originally come from China, not New Zealand. Apple can float on water because they are 25% air. Durian is known as the king of fruits, but some find its odor offensive.